Here's an American classic at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. Turquoise and white. Classic color on this car. Underneath the hood, 350 horsepower 350 V8. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. A lot of 350s going on in this car. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, vintage AC, and heat. Take a look at the chrome bright work up front on this one, that iconic front end. Very recognizable. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the undersides, interior, engine bay. Be able to see this car from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you can see all the still pics. Of course, you can click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can also call us 507-386-1726. Krager polished wheels. Nice looking wheel in this car. Radial tires. Paint has a nice shine to it, as you can see. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Panels nice and straight, bright work. Also straight with a nice finish to it. Interior is turquoise and black. Cloth and vinyl combination. Pretty stock looking interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer here in a bit. Again, you can see how nice that polished bright work looks. How straight those panels are. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Dual exhaust, and that is a true dual exhaust. Headers coming off of the engine, H-pipe and mufflers. Technician did note the speedo reads faster than it actually is. That might save you a few dollars on tickets. There's also receipts that will go along with this car that were recently done to the tune of over $4,500. There's a car cover that's in the trunk, full-size spare, and the battery has also been relocated to the trunk. Brakes are 90% in the front, 80% in the rear, and it will come with a shop manual, owner's guide, as well as owner's manual. And once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see the bright work finished very nicely, as well as the paint. If you like these Tri-5 Chevs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And yes, this one looks as good in person as it does the pictures in the videos, as you can see. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. All right, so door panels. Like I said earlier, this is a turquoise and white. Sometimes in the videos, the turquoise comes across a little more blue, but it is a turquoise and white. We're going to fire it up. Let's hear it run. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. It has a nice sound to it. Always pops right over too. Top of the dash looks good. No rips or tears or holes, anything like that in the seats. There's seat belts front and rear. Headliner also looks good. Visors. Door closes nicely. You can see the flap that will flip open and close, works above that side glass. And best of all, let's listen. Sounds like we might have a mild cam in there, a little light lobe to that 350 horse, 350 cubic inch V8. And I think we need to take a look at that. check out underneath the hood. Speaking of the underside of the hood, nice finish to that also. Look at that. Griffin radiator. A bright, nice chrome on that. Look at this engine bay. So ATI ignition again. Headers. Hooker headers, I believe it was. Power steering, power brakes. Vintage AC. You see the compressor over here. Of course, that Edelbrock 4-barrel. And again, battery relocated to the trunk with a shutoff. It's a nice looking engine bay. Looks good, sounds good. This one's nicely done. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. It's a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, two-door hardtop, true real deal Bel Air also. Take a look at the VIN. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a beautiful 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, and one of the most 50s colors I can think of. It's kind of an aqua teal. Definitely fits this car against the chrome and the black. This is an automatic on the column, so it's super easy for anybody to drive. Our temperature gauge is working, showing almost half of the way up the gauge. Fuel gauge a little over a quarter of a tank. There's that nice rumble this car has coming out the tailpipe. Speedometer is working. It is showing 60 miles an hour. I feel like I'm not quite doing 60, but it is darn close. The wipers work. The blower motor also works on this car. Under the dash we have a volt gauge showing 15 volts, which is very good. Oil pressure about 75, that's also very good. The style, the seats, the stitching, it all looks pretty much original style in this car. Definitely a throwback time capsule of a machine. The headliner also that beautiful teal color. A little bit of slack in the steering as you'd expect from a 50s vehicle. Nothing too concerning. Brakes feel good. One of the most iconic 50s cars, if not the most iconic. The one everybody knows, the 57 Chevy. Corners as it should. What a great car to take to shows, parades, just to have fun with. Bring the whole family. You've got a whole bench seat in the back and in the front. Take a look at all the pictures of this 57 Chevrolet Bel Air at uniqueclassiccars.com.